There's two types of concrete in this world: the type that's cracked and the type that's going to crack, especially with the increase in underfloor heating systems. Protect your tiled flooring from thousands of pounds of damage with tile anti-crack decoupling matting. Firstly, measure up and fill any cracks over 3 mm. Sweep and hoover to remove any debris. Then seal with a primer according to the tile adhesive manufacturer's recommendations. Now it's time to do a dry fit. Start in one corner of the room and roll out the matting. Cut in with a straight edge and Stanley knife. Top tip: once in position, mark the floor with a pencil. It will help later to spread adhesive in sections. Ensure rows are pushed firmly together with no gaps. Now to install. Damp the floor with a sponge. We want out adhesive a little wetter than normal to fully embed the membrane. Working in 1 meter sections, spread a layer of thin set with the flat edge of your trowel. Once spread, comb it with a 3 to 4 mm notch trowel. Roll out the already cut length of matting and push firmly, working the entire surface to ensure it's fully embedded into the adhesive. A weighted roller can also be used for this. Repeat row by row until the entire room is complete. Double check to make sure no gaps open up before setting. Now it's time to tile. Again, using the flat edge of the trowel, spread adhesive in sections, ensuring to penetrate all grooves. Then comb out with a 6 to 10 mm notch trowel. For best results, back butter the tiles and begin to lay, ensuring even pressure is applied across the entire floor. Repeat throughout and enjoy your tiled floor crack-free for years to come.